everyone, happy Children's Day to all the children from Butterfly Online Academy. So today I will make something very cute on Children's Day. So first of all, I'll make some cute children. So this is a girl, pony, and a smile on the face. And she is holding a balloon. Now I will make another child here. And a pony on the top and a big smile. Children should always smile. And this is I'll make some more children. Here also I'll make one child. A big smile again. Frog. And she's also having a pony. Two ponies. And she is holding the hand of sun. And this is sun. Sun is also very happy with children. And sun is also holding hand. This child's hand. Do you know why we celebrate Children's Day? Because it is the birthday of Chacha Nehru. And he loved children very much. He loved children very much. So this is the main reason that why on his birthday we celebrate Children's Day. So now one more child I'll make here. And that child is also holding the hand of sun. This is a boy. And he is also holding the hand of the sun. So children can do anything. They are really imaginative and special. And they can actually think whatever is possible. So happy Children's Day to all the children from Butterfly Online Academy. So I've written Happy Children's Day and now I will color it. Okay, and remember always, every child is special in a special way. So let's color it now to make it more colorful. So we can just make it colorful. We can color it with whatever color you want. And you can give it as a gift. If you are a parent, you can put it on in your child's room, so they can feel happy. Okay, you have made something special for them. As a teacher, you can give them as a card and decorate the school also. So happy Children's Day. You can say Happy Children's Day to them, and color it in colorful, different colors, because children love colors. So we can color it whatever color you want. You can just color like that, and even you can put some designs also. So happy Children's Day to all the children, and always remember that every child is special in a special way. So I hope you must have enjoyed the drawing and enjoy your Children's Day also. So once again from my side, happy Children's Day.